Thanks for joining the MCLN Online Hub. This is a quick overview of what you'll find inside the Hub. So once you've joined the class, which you should have seen how to do in the previous video, you can click on your MCLN Hub and it'll take you here. So there are four main components, but I wanted to also scroll down then show you that it shares the mission of the Math Coaching and Leadership Network and describes the cycles, the 3-year cycles that we're going to start moving through in our work together. So one of the things you can find here is the MCLN Directory. If you'd like to find other people engaged in work where it would make sense to collaborate together, you can find that here. Just pop open the directory and you can search it. You can also add or update your own information. I'm going to return back to the home page. You'll also be able to find meeting and event materials inside the Hub. So you'll notice that our slides for our October meeting are posted. We'll also have a spot for meeting recordings, and you'll be able to contact presenters and access additional resources. If we run any special events this year, we'll provide the same information on this page. We also have a place for anyone engaged in the book study or people that have been engaged in past MCLN book studies. So for example, let's say that you're in the K-8 book study this year, but you're unable to attend a meeting. Go ahead and click here. This will provide you a pacing guide. And if you go down to the bottom, you'll be able to find our online book discussion section. So this poses the same questions that we'll be talking about in our October meeting. So engage with us here. Norms are posted. And I wanted to also show you that books that we've talked about in the past are also available in this site. So if you would like to revisit an old title and you're thinking about it, you're applying it, and you want to find other people to talk to about it, you can go into these discussion boards. And finally, there's a section on here to develop work groups. So when you head here, you can propose a topic for collaborative work. Let's say that you're particularly interested in developing online professional development for teachers this year. How are you going to do that with the math teachers in your district? You could share that idea, talk about your goals and timeline, talk about what collaboration you seek. And for anybody who visits this page, you can also look at what other people have suggested. So if you click that second link, you can look at what's been turned in with that in this survey right here. This has some advice about getting started. And just keep in mind that this Canvas Hub can be a place that work groups can share their work with others, but it can also be a place that your work group is just keeping materials to work with each other. All right, this site is here for you. So if you have any advice about making it more functional, more helpful, easier to use, please reach out and let me know. Thank you.